What's up, people? In this particular tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to add this content copy protection on your site. So now, for example, you can see on this particular website, if I try to copy anything from here, it's not going to copy. If I even try to do right click, it's not going to work. It's going to trigger this particular error. And this is only for when you are not logged in as an admin on the website. And let me try to show you from the when I'm logged in. On this particular one, you can see that I'm logged in as an admin. So on this side, I can do anything, copy, I can do right click. You can see all these are really working. So now this is going to help you whenever if you want to tend to make your content to increase a little bit the security of your content so users won't be able, or another person won't be able to copy your content and just use it like that on his own website. So this is an easy way of protecting your content. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial where I show you how to get this done. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So now you can see for this particular tutorial, I'm going to be making use of code snippets. So the code snippet I'm going to be making use of is WP code. You can see it, I'm using WP code. If you don't have it, just go to plugins and search for WP code and install and activate it. So once you install and activate it, you're just going to scroll down a little and come to here. You see it here. So you just click on add new. Once you click on add new, it's going to bring you to this particular page. So it will open up this page for you. You just click on add custom snippets. Also, once you click on add custom snippets, it's going to load up. So once it loads up, it's going to pop up this for you like this. So now what you're going to just do is we are going to be making use of a PHP code snippet. So you are going to select PHP here. So now I've already done this, I've already added, so I just wanted to show you the process of doing this. So now I already have what you just need to do is just on the first part, on this particular side, just give it a title or a heading you want. You will feel like you can give it anything you want, so just for easy remembrance, so that you know what each particular snippet is responsible for. So now on this, when you now go to the second part, if I say on this, I will be dropping the link to get this particular code. All you just need to do is just to click on the link and it's to redirect you to copy it. So what you just need to do is just copy the code. Once you copy the code, you just paste it on this side. Once you paste it here, the next thing you're going to do is just to make this active. Just turn this to active and save the code snippet. So once you save it, it's going to show this the way it is like this. So once you've done that, that is all you need to do. There's nothing else. Again, once we have done that, we just check your sites. You can see, once you check it, you see that as an admin, you'll be able to copy the content anywhere you want to copy, or anywhere you want to copy. You'll be able to copy any part you want to copy. You'll be able to perform right click. You'll be able to do anything, copy intent on your website. But as a user who is just coming to the website, not logged in as an admin, you won't be able to make anything copy. Once you try to do that, it's going to trigger this error for you that on this site is protected. So be warned. So in case you want to change the content on that particular page, what you just need to do is just to go to the code itself. Now for example, this is the code. Let's say this is the code. What you just need to do is to come to the code here. You can see on this place where you have this, just change the text you are seeing here. Just change it to whatever you want to change it to. Let's say, for example, I want to change line to something like copy is not allowed. Let me just make it this way and just click on update and see, so that you see that it's going to take effect. So once I've done that, I'm using cache. So I'm going to clear my cache on this particular website. Once I clear the cache, then I can now check my website. Now my cache has been cleared. So now let me check the website. Now I will going to reload. Okay, you can see it's now showing copy is not allowed, so it has taken effect. So copy is not allowed on this particular. So you can see this is the easiest way to really do this. So if you want to change any content, just follow the same way I did and change the content you want. If you want to change the color of the
that particular color of the background color of this. Instead of that red, if you want to change it to any color, you can just impute the color here and it's going to change. So now that is just how to go about it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.